Yeah, go!
I suppose, what was the atmosphere like this morning coming into school?
It was great. Everyone laughing, smiling, talking to school.
Yeah,
it's great.
Very good. And to have someone now like Troy Parrott to look up to, someone who went to school here, what does that mean to someone like you who is obviously hoping to go professional with the soccer?
Yeah, it's real inspiration. He's had to prove that anybody can do it, especially from this area. There's been multiple people who have also went from this school and went on to do well.
Very good. So what's your plans next?
Take it step by step, and hopefully I can follow his footsteps.
Very good. And tell me, in terms of the playoffs now, who would you like to see Ireland drawn to play?
Say Northern Ireland would be a great atmosphere.
For sure. Very good. Super. Have you travelled to any of the games?
I've been over at the Ireland game and watched them against Portugal, and that's the only game I actually went to this season.
Will you be hoping to go in March to the playoffs?
Definitely.
Very good.
Definitely.
And what do you think, World Cup dream? Is it well and truly alive?
Definitely on. The hopes are high.
What players did you think stood out last night?
I think the main one would obviously be Troy Parrott getting a hat-trick. It's unbelievable. The fact that he went to our school, the things he's done club and country, the fact he's able to do that on such a big stage, it's such a big moment, it's unbelievable.
Yeah, it was electric. People coming in talking about it only 9 o'clock in the morning, talking about football yesterday. He got 5 goals over the past 2 games for Ireland, and is keeping our World Cup dreams alive.
You were Troy Parrott's yearhead.
I was, yes.
What was he like?
He was a good kid, very good kid. I had him for science, so I taught him science as well as being his yearhead. Great, and when it came to sports, we excelled that year, I did 3 years that Troy was with us. A lot of silverware came in because of Troy. He was was just a very good sportsman. Near the end of 3rd year, he went to Spurs to the academy. So we kind of gave him his books and stuff to bring with him. They were quite determined that they wanted him to continue his education. Mm-hmm. So he was with them for about 4 or 5 weeks. Then he came back to O'Connell's to do his junior cert, which he did, and then he joined them full time after that. Even in the last 5-6 days, it was this incredible 5 goals that he scored. It's really brought them, not just the boys in school, people who've even now know O'Connell's, and they didn't beforehand. It's just amazing. But the lads are all over it. They can't wait. So hopefully we get him to come in at some stage and have a chat with him. Yeah, Barry Keoghan was a past pupil of ours too. So Barry, when Barry hit the fame, the kids just. But now this is a different league because they're into sport so much more than possibly acting, And it's just fantastic for the school. It just couldn't be better,
And had you heard whispers, I suppose, of Troy Parrott's talent? You were
absolutely. Even before this occasion, his coaches have always been celebrating his talent, saying that he's always been demonstrating talent, whether it be in Gaelic or in soccer. And at the age of 14, he won the Under-18s championship. And according to his coaches, he was not out of place that day. He knows to be in the right place at the right time where football is concerned.
Very good. And I suppose, what was the atmosphere like in the school this morning?
Oh, it was electric, just like it was on Friday morning. I think people are a little bit, shocked by the outcome. No one was expecting it, but we're so happy for Troy and his family.
For sure. Are you a soccer fan yourself?
I am, yes, absolutely. And I was aware of the long and established history that O'Connell's has prior to coming here. The likes of Keith Tracy and Stephen Elliott, just to name a few famous footballers.
And who would you like to see Ireland get in the playoff draw then?
Oh God, it's a very complicated playoff draw. I think, if we weren't seeded and maybe we got someone further down the line, that'd be great, for Ireland.
And what does, I suppose, having a role model like Troy Parrott, what does that do for the school community here?
It raises the school community. It reminds them that with a little bit of hard work, pride, and certainly talent, you can achieve anything. You can achieve your dreams. And I think that's what it does. It gives confidence and motivation for the students.
For sure.
Yeah, a sense of belief.
And will you be doing anything to pay tribute to Troy? Will there be any murals or artwork?
Yeah, I think there will be. There will have to be. Yeah, some of the kids have been asking for a mini league later in the year to name it the Troy Parrott Cup, which I think is a beautiful thing. So I'll leave it to the students. They can decide something around that.